Hello! Hi, I'm Kitze. Welcome to another video. So, I moved into a new room. I'm trying to make it an office. Right now it doesn't look like an office. It looks like a room with a monitor and a computer in it. So it doesn't have wall panels. It doesn't have... This setup is just temporary here. There's a lot of light going in the room because there's no curtains, as you can see. And this is the storage technology closet thing. I'll give you a tour eventually once I'm done. I said this for the previous room for like 3 years and I never gave you a tour. But for this one, I promise you're gonna get a tour. Anyway, so I tried, while I was temporarily set up here, I tried using the widescreen monitor again, and I just don't like using a widescreen monitor because there's so much unused space. So when I'm working on one task at a time, it's usually too wide to use that entire monitor for that task. And this is a gaming monitor. I don't know if you can see it. It's like vertically set up right now. I'm just trying to use it as I'm looking at my tasks while I'm working on my tasks here. But this one is 1440p, which means it's not 4K, which means it's not as bright, which means I kind of hate it. So what I wanted is a 4K monitor that can also be used as a gaming monitor at the same time. So when I switch between my Windows setup and my work setup, I still have the best of both worlds. Alright, so I don't like using the widescreen for work because usually I'm working on one app at a time, and unless I'm working on 3 things at one time, it's too wide and it's really annoying to work on. For gaming, it's not bad. The quality is not bad. It's not 420 or 444 Hertz. But the quality is okay. The only problem is while I'm streaming, I cannot show the entire monitor. So if I'm gaming and trying to stream the game, this monitor is not made for streaming because the viewers cannot see all of it. I would have to just stretch it and it looks weird. So I decided to go with the best of both worlds, which is this puppy here that just arrived. That's the Ultra Gear LG 4K 144 Hertz something monitor. Let's unbox it and let's let la land. And let's see what's up. Unfortunately, somewhere in the process, I lost my trusty IKEA knife, but this is also an IKEA knife, so this is the new trusty IKEA knife. Yay! I hate rappers. Not rappers. I love you few rappers that I'm listening to. Rappers. I hate rappers. That's an interesting thing to put on, like, it doesn't even look like a monitor. Did I buy Iron Man's suit or what? Nah, there's the one. Okay, LG, get your shit together. Whatever, it has G-Sync, it has 144 Hertz, 1 millisecond, whatever this is, GTG, gotta go gaming or something. Nano IPS, and it has a nice backlight, so let's see. Oh, it smells amazing. I love technology. Did I ever mention that I love smelling technology? Is that weird? Do you also smell technology? Put in the comments if you're smelling technology. Fuck it. If this was Apple, one cable will be $9.99, $9.99, $9.99, whatever Tim Cook thinks, $9.99 for one cable. We have the arm, I guess. Well, that should be it. Whatever this hook is for, cable management probably. Looks really solid, looks really dope, but I'm not gonna use this. Now, of course, it has this douchey thing that I hate. This looks so douchey on a desk. When you put this on a desk, this red thing, super douchey. Douchebag, city, population, me. Alright, now let's move this out of the way and we have the unveiling moment. This looks like a regular monitor, by the way. Don't get like too excited. Should we even do the sound effects and shit for this one? It's a monitor. Like, okay, do it. I have to get my thumbnail. I always forget to get my thumbnail. But this is a bad thumbnail. Alright, so long story short, it's a monitor. This is the back. It has LED, RGB, whatever the flip, so this thing glows up in different colors. And I'm gonna mount this. Oh, what? Why is it like this? Oh, because it clicks on one of those clicky mount things. But I can also take out these and I can screw it on an existing mount. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Let's do that. As you can see, the gaming monitor that I already have also has the similar design, but it doesn't have a glowing thingy. And it's not 4K, it's 1440p, which means if you're not using it for gaming, when you're using it for regular work, if you're used to 4K, you're gonna be like, I can see you, you're not high quality. So what I'm gonna do, because right now, as you can see, like a douchebag, I attached it here. I'm gonna remove all of the monitors from my desk and we're gonna set everything up properly with some movie magic. They already included screws, which is very annoying, which means now I have to take them out before I install this puppy here. All right. Four is out. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, will I save them so I can remember where they are later? Sure, totally. Totally gonna keep them in a very safe spot. Gonna remember where they are. Now, let's put this. Yep. I just learned that there's a thing called VESA, or however you pronounce that, VESA, quick release plates, which allow you to add quick release plates to your monitors. And anytime you want to swap monitors, you can just easily swap them out. That's a genius idea. I'll put a link in the description if I'm not lazy. I want to check it out. Ah, screw it. Get it? Because screw. Nothing happened. I'm just screw it. Okay. All right, we're done. Time to mount it. Oh wow, this looks small now. Holy shit! I got so used to the widescreen, filling the entire room. Now this looks like garbage. There's nothing I can do to this to make it look better, but let's plug it in and let's see. Oh, it looks so tiny. Holy shit, I got so used to the nice widescreen feel, you know, it covers everything. It was really, really nice for a second while it lasted. Now, this is tiny. It looks so clear though. There's a massive difference. There's a massive difference. Like, maybe this is not as big, but it does the job better. No, seriously, it's super clear. Wow, woo, like it, love it. I miss this. And I've been using a 4K monitor before I switched to the widescreen and the other gaming monitor. You miss it, and you miss that clarity, and you will notice that difference. It's so clear. Oh my God, finally, it's beautiful. It is beautiful, but also it's super tiny. Oh my God, so small. I'm so not used to this shit. It's so small. Display orientation, advanced display. Okay, refresh rate 120. Okay, now I switch the refresh rate. So when I change the refresh rate to a bigger refresh rate, suddenly Windows 11 started, like, it's super blurry. I don't know what's happening. Testufo.com. Okay. So now this will, yeah, it's 60. I'm looking at 60 Hertz. It said on the box. What does it say here? Huh? What does it say here? Here it says 60, here it says 444. So I'm demanding, hey Windows, Alexa, what does Windows have? Cortana, turn on the, how do you turn on Cortana? Goddamn, blessing flipping Cortana. Oh man, I hate this shit. You would think for once that something in Windows is plug and play. For once, you're not gonna get a blue screen of installing 14 drivers from 1958. Just plug and play. Never happened. Advanced display. I want 120 Hertz. I don't give a shit. You figure it out, Windows. It's blurry. Okay, let's go in settings. Here, look at it. That's so douchey, man. The animation and everything. It's so over the top gamey. It has waves, max audio, whatever that is. Look what it says here. What does it say here? 120 Hertz. And language, input, lighting option. Turn off lighting. Oh yeah, okay. General, overclock, gamer. as you can hear, I don't know if you heard that, but my dog was going crazy because there's one more package coming. And the package is the answer to, why do you need like a 4K monitor for gaming? Are you even gonna game in 4K? Wait for it. Wait for the next video. Wait for the next video. Let's figure this out and then we'll figure out 4K gaming. Blurry screen on, maybe do I need drivers for a monitor? No, I don't. Use another cable, they say. Huh? Okay, so of course on the internet the solution is take out the cable and put in the cable. So I'm going to do that and we'll see. Switch the cable. If this works, I don't know. Nope, didn't fix anything. Didn't fix shit. Every goddamn time with Windows, it has to be something. It has to be the cable. It has to be the driver. It has to be the thing. Why it cannot be plug and goddamn play? No. Let's try with a display port now. Do you want to switch? Yes. So it was the cable. Now it's smooth as a mother. Let's go to that UFO thing. Testufo.com. 120, baby. But shouldn't it be 144? Maybe it's only for games. Maybe it's only for games. I don't know. Oh, it has. Starter warning? Why? I'm gonna goddamn fucking bring you here if you cannot see that number. There you go. Why is this not a 4? Because according to the laws of physics, I don't give a shit. This should be a 4. It is a 4 in my heart. Let's try a game. Let's try if this will make me a better gamer than I already am. I'm already a perfect gamer, but I'm reloading even before the game. Now that should tell you what kind of gamer I am. Okay, now time to get my ass kicked. Alright, so we have HDR, we have 440 Hertz, smooth as a mother. Now let's try Counter-Strike. Let's do a very scientific comparison. The bezels are, this one is definitely smaller and the ones on the side are definitely smaller. Super scientific, trust me on this one. If Counter-Strike, a game from the 30s, launches faster, that would be amazing. It says HDR here, which I like. Okay, there's the audio. Let's kick some ass. Thank you. Alright, let's try. I like the clarity. It's like super clear. I like the bezels. I don't know which resolution I'm playing on. If only there was a computer part that I can swap in my computer. Oh my god, immediate headshot. It's like playing with cheats. Wow. The refresh rate? Wow, it looks amazing. Holy pepperoni, I'm not gonna get any work done. Double kill. Triple kill. Holy shit, this is like playing with cheats, I swear. Headshot. God bless Canada. There you go, you motherfucker. It looks really nice, and there is a massive difference from the previous monitor. I mean, that's the point of the video. Everything is on very high. I'm playing in a very high resolution. So yeah, I'm playing in 4K, and it looks goddamn beautiful. It looks goddamn gorgeous. I would take this over the widescreen any day, and over the other gaming monitor, of course. Epic Games Launcher. Everything is on the highest setting. I'm getting 67 frames per second. You can go with full screen. Maybe I can go full screen. Alright. VSync is on. Apply. Yeah. This gives me like 70 something. I don't know how to play this without a controller, by the way. But it gives me 85 frames per second, and I think it's not as smooth as the other game. Alright, so I guess the conclusion is that except CSGO, I'm not gonna be able to play any other games in 4K, HDR, 144 Hz without upgrading my graphics card. Alright, so to conclude a short unboxing, I'm super happy with the clarity of this monitor. I still haven't tried it with macOS, it's probably gonna be as clear. Better clarity. I don't miss the widescreen thing because I'm used to using one app at a time, so I don't need 3 apps at a time all the time. And the setup is far from done. I need way more monitors here. I'm happy with the refresh rate. The only thing that I'm not happy with is that I cannot utilize the 4K gaming on all games because my computer and my graphics card, which is the 2080 Ti, is not powerful enough to give me 4K gaming. I mean, too bad, because graphic cards right now are very expensive and you cannot find them anywhere, and I wouldn't even know what to upgrade to. So I don't know, maybe in like a future video or something, we're gonna figure out some what the f? Spoiler. that was nothing. Let me show you a little b-roll from the back, from the lights maybe, and then we're out of here. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe. If you dislike this video, dislike and unsubscribe. I'll see you in the next one, I guess. Bye.